Have you heard? Have you heard? It's double. Yes, it's double hostess credit. Right now, it is double hostess credit. And do you know what that means? That means it is double your rewards when you host a Princess House gathering with me, Patty Lynch, your independent consultant with Princess House. Hi, how are you doing, everybody? So now is the time to host your gathering because there are so many rewards that you are going to be able to get. The first one is an early bird. And what an early bird means is that you're going to qualify for this item when you have a minimum of 350 in sales by you collecting the sales or by you placing your own order, layaway, or what have you. And this one is our 5-quart stainless steel brazier. Check it out. It is absolutely stunning. Look at it. Absolutely stunning. It is our 5-quart brazier, lifetime warranty, induction ready, has the tempered glass and the beautiful heritage flower on it. This retails for, what does it retail for? $189.95. You're going to save $150 and get it for only $39.95. But we don't stop at that. No, we don't. Because we're also going to get something brand spanking new. What do you think this is? You ready? This is called our cooking oil container. So we know we like to have healthy food, right? So, but we also like fried food. This here is called our cooking oil container. It has a couple of different pieces. This is a little strainer. So when you have those oils, you want to be able to strain them out. You're going to cool off the oil. You're going to strain it in here. And then put the lid on it, and you're going to put it on your counter or your cabinet, and then you'll be able to go back to it and reuse that oil again. All right? And it has a cute little tray. $95. It retails for $74.95 with a $350 party, and one friend or yourself decides to rebook themselves. And remember, not only that, you also get double hostess credit. Now, how that works. Are you ready? Your party grows. Watch your credit grow. $350 in sales. You would normally get $85 worth of credit. For $39.95, you're going to get $170. At a $550 party, for $39.95, you're going to get $310. At a $750 party, you're going to get $390. But what really helps you out is a $1,000 party. You're going to get $580 worth of credit for $39.95. No way, right? Awesome sauce. Love double hostess credit. But those are just those. Get to the $550 level. Not only are you going to get that 5-quart brazier, not only are you going to get the double hostess credit where you can go shopping anything in the catalog, and you're going to get that cooking oil container. But what are you going to use with the cooking oil? Where are you getting the oil from? We have a brand new product. Brand spanking new product. It's our 9-quart Stovetop Fryer. Are you ready for this? This is the Cadillac. So we all know we're always looking to eat healthier, correct? But who doesn't love fried food? Look at me. I love fried food, right? So it comes with the thermometer, right? Here's our thermometer. When the thermometer gets up to temperature, it has a little red dot here. That's how you know that it's the right temperature. When it's at the right temperature, that's when you know that your oil is ready, and that's when you want to start frying your food. When it's at the right temperature, it's not going to use as much oil, and it's not going to seep in to your food, so you don't need as much. Right temperature, you can start cooking your food. All right. It also has a special little latch here, so that way the lid is going to stay on for you. All right. So there's more. You ready to find out more? So there's your special thermometer that comes with it. It has the handle, hold on, that lifts up. So when you're taking, oh, my tongs are not nearby me. When you're taking, not your fingers, but your tongs, and you're taking the food out, don't waste those paper towels. It has a removable rack right here that you can take anything that you're frying and put it right up here. The oil is going to drip down back into your pan. Perfect, right? It's going to drip right back into your pan so that way you can reuse it. And then, watch this, guys. And take the lid out here. And then you're going to pour it into your cooking oil container to save and reuse. It's going to get all that little debris out with the little mesh container on the top. And then you're going to have it all good to go. This is our 9-quart new Stovetop Fryer. What do you think about that? With the $5.50 show, somebody decides to have a booking, you can get that for $64.95. It retails for under $2.90. Who wants that? But say you really don't want that. We have another option for you. It's our tri-ply collection, jewelry for your stove. I know I have a few lovers that love it. This is our tri-ply collection. Again, the tri-ply is 3 layers, stainless steel, aluminum stainless steel, all the way up the top. Lifetime warranty. This one here is our 15-quart. Retails for $2.99. You can get it for $64.95. That's an option as well. Still not done. There's even more. Told you, get to $7.50 in sales. You get everything I just mentioned, but that's not all. You get the air purification system. Mine is set up right now in my dining room. It takes out all the contaminants out of the house. It's just amazing. You'll be able to get that for $149.95. And, or, we have our 14-quart deep casserole. Vita Sana. You know how much I love my Vita Sanas. I didn't bring it with me today. Can only have so much with me. But what everybody is screaming about, I get this. This is our 32-quart Tamarilla pan. You can use it as a stock pot. You can use it for tamales. It's got the divider inside. It's got the steaming rack inside. So many options. As a $7.50 party, you can also get this for only $89.95. Under $90. All right, guys. So thank you so much. If you are interested in hosting a party, collecting outside orders, doing an online party, getting ready for the holidays. Yes, it's not too early. Doing your shopping, getting all these amazing things. It is buy one item, get the next for half off.'t out to me, or if you're watching this from somebody of my team members, let them know you're all set to go. My email is plynch196@gmail.com. And remember that I believe in you and you should believe in yourself, and have a fantastic day. Bye-bye, everybody. Thank you.